Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create really cool 3D concept art with using Octane Render. So firstly guys, I'm going to here and use live viewer window. Guys, select this window, drag and drop on left side. Yeah. And increase size like this. Yeah. And click on here. Yes, right. Okay. So guys, now I apply VDB cloud. So I go to here object and use Octane VDB volume. Yes, select this volume and file. So guys, that's my VDB cloud file. You can download this file from my website. It's free. So open. Yes. And import unit. Increase. I like hectometer. Yeah, that's my cloud. So guys, now rotate this cloud. Yes. Like this. Yeah. Right. Okay. So guys, go to here and I go to medium. See guys, I have two options. That's my fog effect and fire. And guys, this time I apply fire effect. So click on fire. Yes, click. And guys, you can increase density like 500. Yes. And guys, now I change lighting. So use HDRI environment. So guys, select this HDRI environment and power I take 0. Yes. And little bit back. Yes, and click on here VDB cloud. So click on here and volume step length I take 0.085. Yes, and guys, now I increase more density like 1000. Yes, and okay, also guys, I change render setting. So click on here setting and use path tracing. Yes, and max amp I take like 2000. Yes, right. Okay, so close. Okay, guys, now I increase more density like 2000. Yes, and guys, go to here, little bit change this gray size like this. Yeah, and go to back. Guys, now I go to emission. And guys, go to texture emission, click and power decrease. Power like this. Yes, and go to back. Guys, you can also change color. So this time you can go to here, emission ramp and volume gradient, click and see guys, that's my color. You can change also more and click on here, load preset. See guys, I have lots of colors, so click on here. Yes, and you can change more like this. See guys, that's my like view, and you can click this one. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now I apply first one and little bit change color like this. Yeah, like this one. And guys, change volume step length. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, go to back and also change this scattering little bit darker like 50. Yes, right. See guys, that's my fire cloud. See. Okay, so guys, now I apply plane and increase plane size like 2000 and 2000. Yes, guys, select this plane and down like this, little bit more. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now save this project and yes, and now guys, I create material for this plane. So open this material and guys, material type I use glossy and color I take black. black color. Yeah, and I go to roughness, this one, and texture. Guys, use image texture and apply scratch texture. Guys, I already create texture. That's my floor texture, this one, and open. And no. Yes, guys, apply on plane. Yes, and guys, also change UV length. I take like 50 and 50. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, also change position like this. Yes, and little bit back. Yeah, and go to back. Yes, see guys, that's my position, right? Okay, so guys, now go on here, and I change guys also size, frame size. So go on here, and breadth size I take 1000 and height same 1000. Yeah, right. Okay, all is good. Now guys, go on here, and this time I take cylinder, and cylinder radius I take 1 centimeter, and height like 2000 is good. And use cloner. Guys, select this cloner, and liner is good. Position change like this, and go to mate. Right? Okay. Yeah, position is good. Now guys, I take camera, so I go to object and use Octane camera, and camera check, and guys, select this camera tag, post processing check, enable. Guys, bloom power I take like 10. Yeah, right. See guys, that's really beautiful. Guys, select this plane and little bit up, more. Yes, good. And yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, create material for this cylinder. Simple emission material, emission, and black body emission check. Guys, surface brightness check, and go to texture, use RGB spectrum, and color I take orange like fire color. Yes, and go to back. Guys, this time power I take like 15%. Actually, yeah, 15 is good. 15, and apply on cylinder. Yes, it's really good. Right, see. Okay, so guys, now this time I apply landscape. So select this landscape and increase size. Made one like 500. Yes, and increase segments. Double 200 and 200. Yeah, guys, also change seed. Seed change. Yes, and apply on right side like this. Right, see guys, that's my landscape. And now copy this landscape, apply on here. Yeah, it's really beautiful. And guys, now copy, go to back. Yes, and increase size, guys, like 1000, and increase height also. Yes, and guys, also change seed. Change seed like this, and up. Yeah, and last time I apply one more. And guys, size change like 1300, and y-axis little bit increase like 1000, and same. Yeah, and change seed. Yes, see guys, that's my composition. It's really good. So I go to top view panel and little bit back this cloud. Yeah, see guys, that's my final composition. And last one, guys, now I apply 3D character model. So I go to file and merge, and that's my folder. See guys, that's my 3D character model and open. Yes, see. Uncheck camera and closer, yeah. And rotate this character. Yeah. And attach on flow. And little bit up, yes. And make smaller. See. And guys, go to top view panel. Go to back. Like this. Yes. And go to camera. Yeah. See guys, that's my composition. Right? Okay. So guys, my composition is finished now. You can also apply texture for cloud. Actually this one, landscape. So go to here and create new material. So open this material. I go to node editor. Guys, I create texture material for landscape. Select all texture. Guys, you can download this texture from my website. It's free. So select this one and drag and drop. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, apply one by one. That's my specular. That's my roughness. Apply on here. And normal map. Go on here. Guys, that's my displacement map. Select and displacement. Connect with input. And connect with displacement map. Right? Okay. So guys, select this input. And level of detail, I take full. Amount is good. And that's my, guys, diffuse. Apply. And last one, guys, that's my bump map. Yeah. See guys, that's my landscape texture. So close. Yeah. See, right? Okay. So guys, also close and apply this material on all landscape. Select all and right click, apply. Yes. Right? See guys, it's really good. Right? Okay. So now guys, also one more time, check all setting. So select this VDB cloud. And yes, all is good. Go to down and click on here. Yes. See guys, my final composition is finished. Now stop this rendering and I go to here. Guys, render, I take Octane render. So close and stop render. Yeah, see guys, that's my final composition is finished. Now you can download this all texture and material from my website. So guys, if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.